What's up, y'all? Um, Doing a little preparation for Lone Star Throwdown here coming up in the next couple days. Been doing little things here and there, but today I'll be cleaning my carpets. My carpets are original. They're light gray, and basically they're actually in pretty good shape. I'll kind of show you. I don't know if it's kind of dark with my window tint being so dark, if you're gonna be able to see, but this is what I'll be cleaning my carpets with today. I picked up this stuff from Chemical Guys. Seems like everything I get from them works pretty good, so I figured I saw a couple videos with this and I thought I'd give it a shot. And I also went ahead and bought their drill attachment brush, so I won't have to work my ass off scrubbing the carpets. But this carpet's in pretty good shape. Here's my interior. It's kind of sunny, so let me bring it down a little bit. But yeah, there it is. But I already vacuumed out my carpets, but it's got little stains like here and there. Right here is pretty bad. But I'll be hitting that up with this and see what it does. I had a truck show last year, and I'd used Tough Stuff. It seemed to clean it up a little bit, but it just didn't do the job. I can show y'all. Well, I'm gonna hit up the back first. Like back cab's has a little bit heavier stains. Here I got my light shop light in here because it's dark as hell with this tint. It looks purple, but it's not. It's double stacked. I think it's at 0 right now, if I'm not mistaken. But see that? That's a pretty heavy stain, and I'll be hitting that up first. Right there. I think I have another one right there, so that's real noticeable, and my mats don't cover it. So if I do open my doors at the Lone Star Throwdown, I definitely want to have it presentable. But I'm not gonna have y'all sit here and watch me do this stuff, but I definitely will use that product. I'm gonna do it right now, and then I'll get back to y'all when I have this first stain kind of hit touched up a little bit and see what it does. But I'll get back with y'all here in a few. Alright guys, I'm back. I just hit up the first stain, and this stuff works freaking awesome. I can show you the drill. I don't know if you can tell with the light or whatever, but it picked up, you see that little orange tint? It picked up that stain with this brush. Look at this stain now. I mean, it's freaking crazy. Oh, and then here's a towel. I wiped all that stain off. Look at all the dirt that it came up just off that one stain. That is freaking crazy. Who knows how old that stain is? I mean, this truck's like 24 years old or something like that. So, I mean, it could have been in there forever. And this light gray carpet is the worst. Eventually, I plan on just doing the rubber lining in here. But for right now, it's got to make do. But look at that stain. It's freaking... it's gone, basically. I mean, shit. And if y'all guys want this or have a old car or something like that, I definitely recommend this. I mean, that's just the first stain. And here it is right here, Chemical Guys. Lightning fast stain extractor. And I recommend as hell as this freaking drill bit thing too, because I'm sure I'd be freaking exhausted with that one stain if I didn't have this. This thing is just freaking works that stain out like that. And basically you just spray it. I guess I can demonstrate what you have to do. But let me see. Let me find a stain here. There's a stain right here. So you just spray it on here. Doesn't even have to be a lot. Just do a couple sprays like that. And basically you just get this thing here and you just work it out. Smells pretty good too, so. Look at that, it's gone. That shit is badass. Alright, let me, I'm gonna wipe it down. Look at that shit, gone. Oh man. Hell, you never know, I might not need that damn rubber flooring if it's gonna get this shit looking new. So, either way, I mean, hey, come guys, if you're looking at this shit, I am very happy with this stuff. Heck yeah. Alright guys, that's pretty much it. I mean, y'all guys see that it works. So, leave a comment, tell me what y'all think, or if y'all used it before, and hit that subscribe button. Alright, later y'all.